Hey everyone, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. This is my Amazon YouTube page that showcases all my product recommendations that I have here on the channel. I'm going to place a link in the description box below that will take you directly here. I do appreciate you guys. I have ordered from this site as it helps my channel grow, so thank you for doing what you do. Now, moving through the product recommendations on the site itself, I use all kinds of different window mounts for my phone, whether I'm recording or doing any of the app usage. Carly is a huge thing that helps out quite a bit. It's inexpensive. Got the Digiland tablet that I use for MHD. I'm really big into detailing, of course, so I have all the Adams Polishes stuff that I've used and continue to kind of branch out with those pieces. The C-Tech battery charger, very well used as far as across the platform itself. Different accessories, right? Things that come up all the time. I run the BMW OE plugs itself. I got the Bosch O2 sensors, which I've bought through quite a bit. If you want to go the stock routes, you just want to do a drop-in filter, you can do that. I do have the AFE hood scoops on my car, and then of course the Chevron Techron cleaner that I use. Now I do have the side LEDs, as you can see there, and I have the front turn signals LED and then the side markers LED. No error codes whatsoever and work great. I have the H11 Silver Stars for my fog lights, which gives that nice look. Here's some of the oil feature stuff. Lucas Oil Safeguard when you're doing an E85 mix, some Mantra oil as far as a quality oil that you can use. Going through and looking at all the Adams Polishes stuff, you have those pieces here. Moving into my equipment that I use for my channel, right? I use a GoPro, I use my iPhone 7. All the accessories that I use a GP Evo Pro as far as a gimbal, works wonders. As far as my M3 trunk clip and the splitters I have there, and then going through all my tools itself, right? There's so many tools that I physically have and use quite a bit that is definitely highly recommended. Right there is the flashlight itself, and of course the Bluetooth audio that's under $8. Going through, you have all the burger tuning stuff and everything that will fit your BMW needs. Well, guys, thank you for shopping on that website itself. Truly appreciate it. It helps my channel to continue to grow. Wouldn't be here without you. And guys, as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Check you later.